Hi everyone, I'm Stuart and welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. In today's class, we'll be looking at adding information about number ones. For this, we'll be using superlatives. Let's look at a quote. Easiest way to organize your stuff is to get rid of most of it. Or, how about this picture? The train is the most convenient way to get to the station. Or, studying every day is the fastest way to improve your English. Let's look at the use. We use this structure to add more information about a noun that links to a superlative. This structure is used similarly to a relative clause. For example, this is the best place that you can go to becomes this is the best place to go to. Let's look at the structure. Step 1, make a sentence using a superlative and a noun. For example, this is the best way. Step 2, add to and a verb to express additional information about the noun. For example, this is the best way to study English. Let's break it down. The structure is subject, verb, superlative, noun, to, verb. So, this is the best way to study English. Let's do some practice. I have some activities. I'd like you to use the hints in those activities to make example sentences. When you say your example, make sure to speak out loud, except if you're on a plane or something, because that would be weird. Here is the example. Hawaii, popular destination, travel to in summer. This becomes, Hawaii is the most popular destination to travel to in summer. Now, it's your turn. I'll give you 3 seconds to complete each activity. Alice, young person, win the competition. 3, 2, 1. Alice is the youngest person to win the competition. Picking up a scorpion, be one of, dumb, thing, do. 3, 2, 1. Picking up a scorpion is one of the dumbest things to do. Wearing a mask, be good, way, protect yourself when you go outside. 3, 2, 1. Wearing a mask is the best way to protect yourself when you go outside. Archery, be one of, hard, sport, master. 3, 2, 1. Archery is one of the hardest sports to master. While we're here, let's look at a related point. We can also use this grammar with the following words: first, second, third, or only, next, last, right, and wrong. For example, he was the first person to win the race. She was the only student to pass the test. Brian was the next guy to leave. In today's class, we looked at adding information about number ones using infinitives. If you'd like to see new videos, please subscribe. We're planning to release new videos weekly. If you could share this with your friends, it would be really appreciated. If you want to practice the grammar, use the comments below, write an example sentence. And if you could like this video, that would mean a lot. Okay, thanks. Bye.